Why does a magnet attract iron? Magnets are made up of many tiny magnets, which are groups of iron atoms. Although these iron atoms are also present in non-magnetic metals, they are completely disorganized there. In contrast, in a permanent magnet, iron atoms are aligned in a uniform way. All the south poles point to one end, and all the north poles to the other end. Thus, a magnet has a strong north pole and a strong south pole. If a piece of iron comes near a magnet, the atoms in it get aligned. The piece of iron becomes magnetized for a short time and is attracted to one of the poles of the magnet. On removing the magnet, the alignment of the atoms gets disorganized again. In permanent magnets, atoms retain their alignment. What affects strength of magnets? Depending on the strength of the magnet, it attracts metallic pieces from different distances. Materials lying between the magnet and the metal affects its strength. A concrete slab interrupts the magnetic field of the magnet, whereas paper and skin do not. Even fake nose studs can hold through magnetic force. The magnetic field is made visible by laying a glass plate on a magnet and then scattering fine iron chips on it. The chips get aligned along the field lines, which run outside the magnet from the North Pole to the South Pole. What are electromagnets? In 1819, a Danish scientist Hans Ørsted, while doing an experiment, observed that a magnetic needle lying on the side got deflected when he switched on the current. The needle went back to its original position when the current was switched off. Electrical current thus appeared to generate a magnetic field. This discovery by Ørsted allowed us to make electromagnets. An electromagnet is an insulated wire wound around a piece of iron. The current flowing through the coil generates a magnetic field that magnetizes the iron in the coil. The stronger the current, the stronger the electromagnet. What causes the Earth's magnetic field? In the Earth's core, a viscous mass containing iron moves around a solid iron core. According to scientists, this flow of iron acts like an electrical coil and is the cause of the Earth's magnetic field. Like any other magnet, the Earth has a north pole and a south pole. These poles lie some thousands of kilometers away from the geographical poles. Not only sailors and pilots, but also many migratory birds, dolphins, and salmons orient themselves to the magnetic field of the Earth. Small crystals of magnetite in their heads, acting like tiny compass needles, impart them a magnetic sense.